Alright, what's Slime Cat? Meanwhile, actual YouTube. Meanwhile, actual YouTube. Actual, just straight up YouTube. What the? How are they a verified channel? This is... I'm disgusted. I'm just straight up disgusted. What is this? I hate the cartoon mukbang videos. I really hate those. The concept, I hate it. I remember when those were like in my recommended I hate. What is this? What? Why? Why? This is the worst thumbnail I've ever seen. This one too. This is awful. Connor the Waffle made a video on them. Probably, like, I don't even, like, this is just disgusting. Like, absolutely disgusting. Yeah, yeah, you better not have a description. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, is that's billion. That's billion. Just... Yeah, let's go back to FNF Kids. That was...